So today in this video, I am going to be talking about the good old-fashioned Converses All-Star Ox. I believe these are yes, black All-Star Ox Converses, low top, classic. You can never go wrong. You can actually wear these. I've seen people wear these with dress clothes, guys with suits on, girls with skater dresses on, with dresses on, tight fitted dresses on, skirts, jeans, dress tops, dress pants, jackets, sweatshirts, pullovers, hoodies, sweats. I mean, you cannot go wrong with a pair of Chucks. And then it's that they got them in a variety of colors. So but I just had to get the classic black ones just because black is like one of my favorite colors for one. And then black is just a color, like, it just goes with a lot. Like, you just can't go wrong with black Chucks. But anyway, the fit of Converses are really comfortable to me. Like, I remember when I was younger and I had a pair of them. Like, I had like two pairs. One was like, it wasn't customized, but it was like, I think it's when people was doing like heavy artwork and like graffiti and stuff, submitting like contests, and I don't know, but anyway, I just remember one pair I had that it was so cool. I still have this pair of shoes to this day, and it had like kind of like a wrapper on it. And then it had like graffiti, you know, like artwork with the C to represent Converses. He had a chain link on with C. But anyway, let me get back on the shoe. The good black all-star one. So, just some information about Converses. I thought this was really, really cool. So, it was founded in 1908, February. And at the age of 47, Marquise Mills Converse, who previously was a manager at a footwear manufacturing firm, opened the Converse rubber shoe company in 1908. I'm out in Massachusetts in February, so that's where it pretty much, like I was saying, was founded in 1908. And company catalyst came in 1917 when the Converse All-Star basketball shoe was introduced. Because, you know, back in the day, they was rocking the Converses with them. So, in 1923, a basketball player named Charles H. Taylor walked into Converse complaining about his sore feet, saying, you know, I got feet cute, pretty much had some sore feet situations going on. And Converse gave him a job, worked as a salesman and ambassador, promoting the shoes around the U.S. In 1932, Taylor's signature was added to the All-Star patch on Classic. So that is where it all started. But as you know, Converse comes in like, you know, different styles, and you can either have the high top, you can either have the low top. I actually had high top and low top pairs. I even had the pair where it was high top, but I kind of like folding them down because it was like a two-tone color. It was like brown and pink, so I just folded them down and just folded down the tone to give it that pink, because I had like a couple of brown and pink things, and I was like, hey, these go perfect, and let's accessorize these. And okay, anyway, this is the shoe, you know. And then on the back I got the All-Star on it with the star, and then the All-Star Converse right here. I mean, and then Converse is, you know what I'm saying, it's not a over expensive shoe. Like, if you need something quick to like match with your outfit, or that's like simple but you can style it up any way you want, because like I was saying before, Converse is the type of shoe where you can really easily style up with something a little dressy, or you can dress it down or wear out with friends, or, you know what I'm saying, if you're going to the store right quick, or if you're being active, you know. Converse is that shoe. Now, one thing I will say, like, if you're active and you're moving around with your feet and everything else too, I will recommend getting something to prevent the rubbing. And I think it's because of the socks that I have. Sometimes my feet tends to like rub against the front of it. So if you're being active, especially in Converse, and I love my feet. But anyway, Other than that, I have absolutely no complaints about Converse. I mean, Converse is that shoe. It's reasonable, easily matched with something. They got a variety of colors. Dress up, dress down. You can be active. You can dress down. You can dress up. It is what it is. I love them. I love Converse. I always will. And yeah, an easily tie shoe. Boom, there you go. I just normally just take my shoe out, my foot out, and just go about my day. But anyway, again, this is the Converse low top all-star black ox. There we go.